Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom, but make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open web browser and dive in shopify.com. So this is the home page as you can see. First of all, let's know what is shopify.com. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience. And when someone signs up for Shopify through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So, firstly, all you have to do is click over Apply Now. Then you will find this page. You write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, your password. Then you write your phone number. Choose here the country that you want. For example, United States, Germany, Morocco. You can choose Canada here. So you choose the one you want, or United Kingdom. Of course, I choose United States. Then I click over I have read and accept the affiliate program terms, and you click over I would like to receive the latest partnership news via email from impacts.com. Then you will find this page. How would you categorize your business? Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. First of all, we have social influencer. My audience follows me for entertainment, education, and community, and they engage with social native content that we produce. Then we have your content and reviews. My audience comes to my properties to learn more about specific products or products categories, find gift ideas, read reviews, and make informed purchasing decisions. Then we have loyalty and rewards, deal and coupons, email and newsletter, search and comparison. Then we have network here, technology solution, and then we have cross audience monetization. So you click over continue. Then you will find this page. We have add social. You can add more than one account from each type of social platforms. You can use Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, and Weibo. Then you will find this page. Tell us about yourself. First of all, you will choose between individuals and company. Then you write your account display name here, your country or region. Then we have here mail address, your first street address, and your second street address. Then you write your city, then you write your zip code and time zone here also. Then currency here, dollar or other things. Then you click over submit and just start with Shopify. So before I will show you how you can earn money with Shopify, let's know other information in the homepage. We have here before become a Shopify affiliate. You earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have here two ways to refer and earn. First, we have Shopify plan referrals. Get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have here Shopify Pro referrals. Earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale per referral. And if we scroll down, we have here join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. Then we have here we are committed to your success, and we have here frequently asked questions. The first one we have here, what is the Shopify affiliate program? So the Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurships with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have here what requirements do we need to meet to apply. To apply, you must own and run an active website, have an established audience, create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Then we have read and agreed to the Shopify partner program agreements. Also, if we scroll down, we have here how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How are rules structured? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? What information can I track about merchants if I refer? Then what are Shopify's brand guidelines? So you click over here and you get your answers about the one you want. So it's very helpful to know all this information about Shopify before we get started. Then we have here videos on YouTube that show that firstly you have to obtain Shopify dropshipping products for February. So once you select this one, you'll scroll down and you will find this link. Then you click over it and you will find his Shopify. So if you click on his link, he will earn commission. Then we have your pricing here, as you can see. Have your basic, Shopify, advanced, and plus here. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each. So the first one, we have YouTube. YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust. By producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold to Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates, as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. So this is how it works with YouTube. Then we have here TikTok. So TikTok thrives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. So use your link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. So the platform's viral nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. So this is how it works with TikTok, and right now we have Instagram. So in Instagram, it's the same thing of TikTok because we have just reels like that, and also you can just create content. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you in the next video.